Yeah, y'all tell Germany girl I'm sorry. She missed the plot.
You and DDG never had a conversation before, right?
I just hit 30K subs. DDG still at 700.
W30K chat.
Wait, hold on. Why the Rays just clap? Why was the Rays clapping? What?
I know I'm playing, but look, listen.
Where he come from?
Let's say you and DDG never had a conversation before, right?
I just hit 30K subs. DDG still at 700.
W30K chat.
Yeah, I swear, when he said that, I did not give a fuck. Like, getting subs for me on Twitch is not like a flex to me, you know? Like, it's cool because people are supporting. A flex to me will be viewers, you know? If you got a lot of people watching you at once, that's a flex. Getting a bunch of subs to me, is not a flex. I promise you, I did not give a fuck at that time. That's why we smoking on him now. We smoking on that nigga. They get back a motherfucker. They get back a motherfucker. That nigga Bruce gonna hide throw hands at me when he see me. This is why you don't beef with me, because I never stop. I never, ever, ever stop.
AI, like, no one would take your spot, your side of the bed.
Yeah, you think I have an actual human in my bed? Fuck no.
Yeah, no. And the robot came with, like, a purse and everything on the chair, too.
See, man, I'll fuck with Tiana, man. She gets it. Hey, man, don't be getting. Man, blocking a nigga, bro. Come on, bro. Come on now. I hook her. That shit crazy. Yeah, Queen was hella nervous. I like the song we did. I appreciate y'all making her feel comfortable so she want to record and shit. You know, a lot of artists don't want to record on live. So they feel like it's a lot of pressure. So when y'all make people feel comfortable, it's cool.
Hey Stinko, if you're in here.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I actually ain't really been here applying myself, but I'm back as me. Nasty freak, she wanna fuck me right now in the car, let back the seat, smash the V, pull up on niggas right now. Now how about a swag to be the coldest on it, make it a masterpiece. I actually
egg cooking up, boy. Egg cooking up, man. That nigga egg cooking up, man.
And I'm gonna just say it for what it is. Like, people can talk shit about you and all that, but bro, you have showed the people. You went from a very successful YouTuber to a very successful rapper to a very successful streamer, and you still are doing everything. You're still doing music. You're still doing YouTube, and now you're doing streaming, and you're excelling at everything. So you deserve your fucking flowers, bro. You're I don't even know what you call it. You are. I don't want to be so much of a glazer. People call me. I'm very glazed.
No, it's good, bro. No,
Fuck it.
I appreciate it, bro.
I'm a D1 glazer then, bro. Whatever, bro. You're my mans, and it's just like whatever, bro. Like you deserve your flowers because you've been in this industry for such a long time. And usually people, when they've been in it for X amount of years, you don't hear about them no more. But you keep making noise, and that's what makes you you, bro. So I love that shit.
W-A, man. Appreciate it, bro. You know you. Aiden, a good dude. Nah, niggas, man. Bro, y'all gotta chill. Aries twerking for what? What the? I was watching this nigga. We had 900 people, 20,000 stable.
CEO of Skytop Records, you're a fucking legend.
Still the CEO, by the way. Yeah, let me be the person to explain that all this shit is just consistency, bro. Like, it ain't nothing else. It ain't this shit is not rocket science. Now, some niggas got it, some niggas don't. I'm not gonna say it's just gonna work for everybody, but some niggas got it, some niggas don't. If you consistent with some shit, you have a better chance of having it. You know? I'm just very consistent, y'all. That's why I win. And I'm also handsome, funny, good looking, sexy, dressed amazing, have a handsome son. You know, it's just a lot of stuff that goes with it. I mean, some people can't have those different variables that I have, but you know, consistency plays a big role. You feel me? So you telling me she caught feelings twice? Bro, this damn meme is funny, bro. Hey, shit.
You love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Fuck is this?
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Wait, guys.
You're gonna love it. Woo, 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 woo. Come here.
What the hell? I didn't even know niggas speak English in China. Is that racist? Quick. Not like that.
Oh, yeah.
Not like that. See? Top side chick is crazy. This is a bad caption, bro. Like, stop it. I do not have no side chicks, okay? I have female friends. Okay? You just stop that. No gay shit, but I've been the finest nigga in my family since 1999. He probably beat me now. W brother, man. No more. That shit funny. Yeah, if I ain't had my beard though, I'll be chopped. Just to be like completely humble. But I like the Twitter con, boy. That picture tough. I need to change my profile picture too. Niggas think I just don't want niggas to think I'm just a promo run, bro. Like, that's not what it is. You come on my stream, you finna drop a hot 16 on this motherfucker. That's what the fuck gonna happen. You come with that Versy, we good. Yeah, man, I just started seeing my DMs turn into, let me pull up and play my music. I mean, that shit cool, but bro, like, I'm an artist. You know, I'm not a radio station, you know? That's pretty cool, but I feel like even when niggas was pulling up to Kai shit, they wasn't even playing no music. They was really just pulling up to kick it. But nah, I mean, it's also dope that people want to pull up and play their music and shit. It's cool, but I'm not trying to get into that. I want to make music.